Russian service. In the Russian dining arrangement, food is pre-arranged in a platter with enough serving for one table, and then the waiter dishes it out from the platter to the individual plates. It is commonly used for banquets and formal sit-down meals where all the guests are having the same menu. Stand slightly behind to the left of the guest to be served, with your feet together and back straight. Lower your body using your legs while keeping your back straight. In the Russian dining, they use a fork and a serving spoon to create tongs. Utensils are placed in the right hand and the platter in the left. Position the ends of the serving spoon and fork in the center of the palm of the serving hand. The service fork should be on top of the service spoon. Except the index finger, hold the service spoon firmly. Use the index finger and thumb to hold the handle of the service fork.